Today we're going to be making something special for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to use a pencil.
And I'm going to use one of these.
Yes. Pick what color you want.
I want this one.
Okay. Listen, before you start, I'm going to make some special marks on the paper. And I'm going to show you how to draw a heart. Have you ever drawn a heart before? Don't start without Mommy. I'm going to do it on mine. Have you ever drawn a heart before?
Yeah.
Have you? Okay, look. We're going to start together. So we both have 2 dots and 2 dashes. See the 2 dots and 2 dashes? Okay, let me pick my color and I'm going to show you where we're going to start. We're going to start right on the top dot. Will you put your crayon on the top dot? Okay. Now we're going to go up to the dash. Can you touch the dash? There you go. Okay, and now we're going to go down to the bottom dot. Good. Okay, so now we'll go back to this dot. Can you go back to that dot? And go up to this dash.
I went to the dash.
Perfect. And then go down to the dot. Oh, start right here. Start right here and go down to this dot. Yay! Did you draw a big heart, Graham?
Yeah.
You did. I'm so proud of you. So, do you want to do a magic trick now?
Yeah, what
Okay,
magic?
we're going to use watercolor for magic. If you want to draw over your heart a couple more times to make it really dark, you can. Do you want to on yours?
No, I like it like this.
Okay, we're going to paint now, but I have a story to tell you. This is Mr. Brush.
Oh.
And Mr. Brush, when he was younger, he used to have the most beautiful hair. He was so proud of his hair, but one day something very sad happened.
What?
A kid was painting with him and brushed with him like this until his hair got bent and broken and it wouldn't stand up straight anymore. Isn't that sad? Poor Mr. Brush.
But I can fix it.
Oh, that's so nice of you, Graham. See, no matter how hard we try to fix it, once it's been ground down, it doesn't fix very well, does it?
No,
So Mr. Brush likes to teach kids how to paint. This is what he says. When you're painting, you're going to go very gentle on your paper. Can you try it? Go very gentle. That's perfect. And if you want, you were noticing how nice and clean my watercolors are? Well, these haven't been used. And these ones are a little bit dirty, aren't they? Do you know why?
Why?
When you've painted with these, you haven't given Mr. Brush a bath. I'm going to pick a color and paint Mr. Brush. We have to wake up the color if it's dry. And then we're going to paint with our beautiful color. And if we're ready to try a new color, Mr. Brush has to take a bath, but not just any bath, a nice relaxing bath. And this is his song he sings. Do you want to hear it? La-di-da-di-da. That's right. He sings a nice relaxing bath. Oh, go in the bathtub. This is the bathtub right here. Now sing the song. That's right. And now Mr. Brush can go to another color now that he's all clean.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, because this one is a special one.
Yeah. So on your paper, before we started, I drew some magical hidden hearts. So if you paint enough on your paper, oh, give Mr. Brush a little bath again. If you paint around on here, you're going to find a hidden heart somewhere. But you have to color the whole paper to find it. Ooh, I found one of mine. Look. See that magical hidden heart? Listen, if it gets dry, just dip it in the water real quick. Boop. Boop. Perfect.